Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to fold this origami dinosaur. What makes it special is that it can open and close its mouth, almost like it's alive and ready to bite. This model isn't too hard to make, and I'm sure you all like it. To begin, we will need 2 squares of paper of the same size. First, I'll show you how to get 2 perfect squares from a regular sheet of paper, but if you already have the squares, you can skip this step. First, we need to fold the paper in half. Then fold the first layer to the right, to the closed side. Cut off the excess paper at the bottom. Unfold the rest. And cut along the crease in the middle. Now we have 2 paper squares. To make the first piece, we need to fold the square in half along both diagonals. So, just bring one corner to the opposite one and make a crease. Unfold. Do the same with the opposite diagonal. Unfold again. And with this X marked, rotate the paper into this position. And now we are going to create 2 new diagonals on the right side. To do this, first bring the top diagonal edge to the middle. Then make a crease from the center up to the top. And undo. Repeat the same with the bottom side. Just like before, bring the paper to the middle. But now crease only from the center down. Let's repeat the same on the left side. First fold the top diagonal. And then the bottom diagonal. After finishing these 4 creases, rotate the paper and repeat the same step, creating the same diagonal creases, this time in this direction. Now, using these creases as a guide, we're going to bring the right corner to this point here and crease only in the middle section. Do the same on the left side. With these marks ready, rotate the paper and flip it over. Then fold it in half along the existing crease. Pay close attention now. In the first layer, we are going to bring both sides down using the existing creases. Then we are going to fold the extra paper behind the middle section. And at the same time, we're going to flatten the paper down, like this. And this is the result. Now flip the paper over and repeat the same on the other side. First close both sides, then fold the extra paper behind the middle corner and flatten everything. This is the result. Now, let's fold the left corner to the right unfold, and just to make the next step easier, let's fold the same corner back just to reinforce the crease. Now holding the middle part closed, open the left side and bring the paper to the middle crease, dividing it evenly into two. And then close this flap over the middle section. That's the base of the first piece. Now, to make the second piece, we will also fold along both diagonals. Since my paper already has one crease, I'll just fold the opposite diagonal. Once done, rotate into this position. And just like before, let's fold these 4 new diagonals. First the right side, then the left side. From here, the steps are different. Let's close the right side. Do the same with the left side. Now close both larger flaps down, like this. Reinforce the creases. And rotate the paper. For the next step, fold the corner of the top layer down to this point here. And that's the base of the second piece. Now let's go to the assembling. Flip the second piece over and insert the front part of the first piece between the 2 layers of the second piece. Adjust the height so it aligns with this point here. as if the base of the first piece connects with the corner of the second one. Once done, turn it to the other side. Now in this middle triangle, fold two new small diagonals. To do this, just bring the side of the triangle up to the horizontal fold, but crease only from the middle to the corner. Do the same with the other side. And then repeat the same on the top triangle. Using these new creases, close these two triangles. And then fold these two lower corners up. Now, carefully, fold the right side back. As you can see, the top part will automatically close like it's the head of the dinosaur. Just adjust the details and reinforce everything. And this is the result. To make the next details, open this flap, fold the corner to the middle, close it again, and repeat on the other side. To make the arms, just fold this little flap forward do the same on the other side. For the legs, just fold this corner, folding it back and inside the model. Repeat on the other. Then fold the two corners to the other side, creating the feet. Now to make it more realistic, reverse fold this corner here. To do this, just open the paper a little and push this part inside. Depending on the paper, this may be a little tricky, but with patience the result looks great. You can also reverse fold the corner of the arms and then fold the corner down a little. Do the same on the other side. And if you want to make the head look more like a dinosaur, first fold the two corners to make reference creases. Then unfold, reverse fold the top one first, and tuck the tip inside. Do the same with the other. And our origami is ready! To make it open and close its mouth, you just need to move these two side flaps. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.